Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and look what has finally arrived. This is TCL's newest series of TVs, the Q series, and this one in particular is their best that they have to offer right now, the new QM8 Mini LED Ultra TV, coming at 65 inches for my model right here. So huge thanks and shout out to TCL for sending this out for us to take a look at here on the channel. I've been waiting very patiently for this TV right here. I actually got to check it out at CES and I was blown away by the quality. Well, now we actually got one in-house. So again, huge thanks to TCL for sending this out, but I'll be giving an unboxing and giving my first impressions with this TV right here in this video. So looking at the front of the box, like I said, this is the Mini LED Ultra TV. We got full array ultra local dimming zones, IMAX enhanced ultra wide color gamut, Dolby Vision IQ HDR, also comes with Dolby Atmos as well. Motion rate 480, gaming accelerators 240, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, hands-free voice control. So this is a Google integrated TV. So it's always nice to have these Google TVs because they also come with the Google Assistant. So you got your hand-free usage with this TV right here. You can easily just use the Google Assistant and ask it to do whatever you want it to do. But I am done waiting. I am ready to get this TV unboxed. So let's get it unboxed. All right, so I got the box open here. Now starting at the top of the box here, right here to the left, or my left, I should say. Well, this thing is solid. It looks like this is going to be the stand for the TV. And yes, this is full on metal right here. Super, super solid. It's definitely got some weight to it, very heavy. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this right behind me, right here in the middle. It looks like we got the remote. We also have the power cord. Looks like we got some screws right here. We got batteries in the bag as well, and then other stuff that nobody ever reads. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the bag for now, set it over to the side, and over here, it looks like we got, let's see, what is this? This is something else that comes in the box. I guess we'll find out once we start putting this TV together. And on top, always, of course, is a piece of foam to keep it nice and protected. Woo! We got the TV right here. So it looks like the box itself slides up just like this. Hopefully I don't drop the TV forward. Let's see, here is the TV. All right, let's go ahead and get these styrofoam sides off. Throw those over there. And then we can go ahead and pull up the plastic and whoo, there it is. Look at that, TV's not even on and it is already looking absolutely beautiful. Now for a TV of this size, this is usually a two-man job, but I'm gonna do my best here and try to get this going on my own right here. Okay, so I was able to get the TV out and set it on a flat surface as you see here. You do wanna make sure you do set it on a flat surface face down when installing the stand. That way you don't risk damaging that front screen. But this is what the back of the TV is going to look like. Definitely has a nice clean look from top all the way down to the bottom. And I like they did this seamless transition from the top to the bottom. It doesn't come down halfway and then out for that speaker and then down. It's nice and flat. And then if you look here towards the center, it does say Ultra Bass. So the thing with the QM8 here is that it actually has a built-in subwoofer. Let me go ahead and peel this off. But yes, this TV actually has a built-in subwoofer, so there really might not even be a need for a soundbar with this TV right here. And continuing on to the back right here, looks like we have a panel here that covers our ports. As you can see, we got an Ethernet input. We got 3 HDMI, actually 4 HDMI inputs. One is the ARC. We got cable, USB. We got a AV in adapter. We even have a headphone jack and that optical input as well. And then this just basically snaps right back in, just like that. And going over to the other side, it's got another one here for the power input. Let me go ahead and get the stand on this TV right here. So we actually got to put the stand together first, and the two pieces that I showed you earlier during the unboxing actually screw together to make that stand. So let's go ahead and get this together. And boom, we have our stand, as you can see right there. All right, so now we're gonna put our stand on. You wanna just set it in place on the bottom of the TV here in the back. I already got my screws set in, so now all I need to do is tighten them here. And there we go. So now it is definitely nice and sturdy, nice and secure. Definitely feels strong enough to hold this TV right here. Okay, so the TV is all set up there as you can see, but it is currently installing my apps at the moment. So while we're waiting for that to set up, let's go and take a quick look at the remote here. Overall, very nice looking remote. What I like about the design of this remote is actually that brushed metal finish that they give it. Now, this is not a metal remote, this is a plastic remote, but they give this nice brushed metal finish to give you that illusion that this is a metal remote, but it is very lightweight, feels good in the hand, pretty long and skinny as you can see right there. Of course, we got all of our buttons here in the front. When it comes to the power button, input button, you got an accounts button, and then that dedicated Google Assistant button right there that you can press, ask Google something or tell it what you want it to do. We got a microphone right there, the settings button. Of course, we got the arrow pad along with the selection key, okay. We got a back button, home button, cable button, the volume buttons right there, channel buttons, we got a mute button, and then we got the 3 lines right here, which I'm sure is for recent apps if I'm not mistaken. And then going down more, we got dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, TCL channel, TCL Home, and Apple TV as well. So overall, simple but very nice looking remote. Like I said, this is a plastic remote, so if you were expecting a metal premium remote, no, you're not going to get that with this TV, but overall still a nice looking and lightweight feeling remote. All right, so the TV is all set up and ready to go here, apps installed and everything. Now, when it comes to my very first impressions with the TCL QM8 here in-house, consider me very, very impressed. I mean, look at this. The picture quality is just absolutely amazing. Super sharp details. I mean, the colors just really pop out at you. They're nice and vibrant. Well, of course, you know, depending on what picture mode you're using, and we do have different picture modes. I've kind of been switching between dynamic mode, vivid mode and IMAX mode. And the vivid mode, of course, is really going to make those colors pop really, really good. And then when it comes to the IMAX mode, it's going to give you more of a natural look, but still looking really, really good. And then we have movie mode, sports mode, low power mode. But for now, I will keep it on vivid. Like I said, picture quality, absolutely amazing. Now, when it comes to the sound mode, we do have different sound modes as well. We got dynamic, standard, movie, music, voice, live. Now, I do keep it on dynamic. And let me tell you, with that built-in subwoofer into this TV, I mean, it really has that nice rumble to it, especially when those low-end sounds come in, that bass comes in. I was testing out that movie Avengers Endgame on here during the fight scene, and you can really hear the rumble during the fight scene. It just sounds really nice. But aside from the nice low ends, you're also getting some nice high ends, some nice mids. Everything sounds crystal clear. I mean, you really don't need a soundbar with this TV. I mean, why spend the extra money on a soundbar if you're getting speakers on this TV that sound that good? It's going to give you that experience as if you are using a soundbar. Now, of course, a soundbar will really add more to the sound and just really push it out there and really have you feeling that sound. But I mean, without a soundbar, speakers still sound really, really good on the TCL QM8 right here. So when it comes to picture quality, amazing. Sound quality, amazing. Overall build quality is nice. It has a nice clean look to it, at least in my opinion. Of course, like I mentioned earlier, this stand right here is very, very solid. Got a metal build to it. Very, very solid, and it's going to keep this TV nice and secure. Okay, now real quick, I just want to give you a little sample of what the sound is like on this TV right here. I'm going to be using one of my own videos, that way I don't get copyright strike in this video, but I already know for sure my mic isn't going to do the speakers on this TV justice, but this is just to give you a small idea of what the sound is like on this TV right here. So let's go ahead and take a listen. So that's at level 25, already sounding nice and loud, getting some nice deep end there. 35, 40. Now 40 already sounds really loud. It's pretty much loud enough at level 40 right there when it comes to the sound. That is loud. There's 100. Okay, so there you have it. As you can see, the sound, I mean, hopefully my microphone picked it up good enough to give you a good example of what sound is like on this TV. Gets super loud, but I mean, I am in a small office area, but I can already tell once I throw this TV in my living room here in a bit, it's gonna be more than loud enough to really fill the whole living room with the sound coming out of this TV right here. I mean, it sounds great, and especially those low ends. I'm someone who likes to feel a lot of low end and hear a lot of low end when watching movies, especially, you know, like suspense movies or action movies. You really wanna feel what you're watching, and this TV definitely gives you that experience. Okay, so taking a quick look at the interface here, if you've ever used a Google TV before or a Google Chromecast, then you pretty much already know what to expect. Of course, we are greeted with our For You page, and then it gives me my top picks, my apps, what I can continue watching. I can explore even more popular movies and shows, action shows, and the list just goes on and on. And then if I go back up to the top, we have live. So this is going to tell me what is live. So we got free live TV, and then it's going to give me a TV guide with pretty much what's playing now and what's going to be playing within the next hour. And then we have our apps, which is going to give me the apps I have downloaded and give me other options of apps that I could download. And then we have library of purchased movies and shows. And that's pretty much what the interface is going to look like. And then if I scroll more over here, we can search. We got the settings. If I go even further, it'll show me that I can pick my screen saver. I can go to inputs, to hook up Wi-Fi, change the Wi-Fi, picture, accessibility, set up Apple AirPlay, personalize ads, and update, or I can clear all. Now, if I click on screensaver here, let me go ahead and click on that. It's going to take me to the actual screensaver. So if you're someone who really doesn't like to turn your TV off, you can even use it like this and just set a nice background. That way it's just on like that, and it can add more to your home, I guess I would say. Kind of like you have a picture frame right there on your TV stand, or even if you have this up hanging on the wall. They got nice screensavers to choose from. But that's pretty much it when it comes to the overall user interface of this. So there you have it, my unboxing and first impressions of the TCL QM8 65-inch mini LED Ultra TV. Like I said, so far I am impressed. I have fallen in love with this TV already. I can't wait to go put it in my living room and actually watch a full movie on it. But so far for first impressions, like I said, I am very, very impressed. Again, the TCL QM8, I will have more videos coming with this TV right here. Maybe I'll do a full gaming video, just gaming on this TV to share what my experience is like when gaming on it. And then of course, you know, within my full review, I will cover it more in depth. So if there's anything that you would like to see in that full review, just let me know down in the comment sections, everything that you all would like to know about the TCL QM8 mini LED TV right here. And I will make sure to try to get to everything that I possibly can in that video. But absolutely beautiful TV. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you are thinking about getting this TV for yourself, even just based off of my first impressions here or other videos you might have seen or articles you might have read, I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.